to the Ministry of Lands, you want to get your title, but it takes you a whole year to get your title. When you come, you find a court, but the officer is not there. Then when he's there, he says, come tomorrow. And when you come tomorrow, he dodges you until you have to cough some money. That kind of behavior is not acceptable, and the public should not accept it. So the commonest form of maladministration include, among others, non-payment of salaries and other benefits, delay of service delivery, victimization and discrimination at places of work, misuse of public property, reporting late for work, abusive or intimidating behavior or oppression at the place of work. This is for government employees. Even government employees should not accept to be mistreated by their bosses. Under the ombudsman function, they have the right to be respected by their bosses, even at the place of work. There must be mutual respect. Absenteeism is not allowed, indecent dressing, drunkenness while on duty, and even sexual harassment. All those should be reported by public officers to the ombudsman. In other words, if there are gross lapses in the functioning of public administration, the citizens, as well as public or government employees, have the option to lodge complaints against the concerned public officers. The ombudsman function of the Inspectorate of Government is embedded in Article 225 of the Constitution of Uganda and Section 8 of the Inspectorate of Government Act. And the main functions are to promote and foster strict adherence to the rule of law and principles of natural justice in administration, to promote fair, efficient, and good governance in public office.